After replacing fluorescent fixtures and experiencing flickering, several factors could be the root cause. We will go through several troubleshooting steps. Firstly, incorrect wiring could be the cause. Check the polarity of the wires. The black wire should be connected to the hot terminal, the white wire to the neutral terminal, and the green wire to the ground terminal. Ensure the wires are tightly secured in the terminals. Loose connections can cause flickering. Secondly, defective ballasts are a possibility. Ballasts regulate the flow of electricity to the lamps. Faulty ballasts can cause flickering or other lighting issues. Replace the ballasts in the fixtures to see if it resolves the problem. Thirdly, lamp compatibility problems may exist. Verify that the 317-watt state lamps are compatible with the fixtures. Some fixtures may require specific lamp types or lengths. Check the manufacturer's specifications. Fourthly, electrical interference from electromagnetic interference or EMI from nearby electrical devices can affect fluorescent lights. Move other electrical equipment away from the fixtures and see if it helps, or install EMI filters in the fixtures or the electrical circuit. Fifthly, voltage fluctuations may be present. Ensure the voltage supplied to the fixtures is within the recommended range for the lamps. Use a voltmeter to measure the voltage during peak and off-peak hours. If there are significant voltage fluctuations, consider a voltage regulator. Sixthly, loose ground connections could be a problem. A loose ground connection can create a potential for electrical interference. Check the ground wire continuity and ensure it is properly connected to the ground terminal. Seventhly, poor lamp contact may exist. Ensure the lamps are fully inserted into the sockets and making good contact. Clean the lamp pins and sockets with a soft cloth before installing the lamps. Eighthly, malfunctioning starters can cause this. Starters initiate the lamp's ignition process. A faulty starter can cause flickering or delay starting. Replace the starters in the fixtures. To methodically troubleshoot, follow these steps. 1. Check the wiring and connections. 2. Replace the ballasts one by one to identify the faulty one. 3. Ensure the lamps are compatible with the fixtures. 4. Move other electrical devices away from the fixtures. 5. Measure the voltage and install a voltage regulator if necessary. 6. Check the ground wire continuity. 7. Clean the lamp pins and sockets. 8. Replace the starters. By checking these items one by one, you will find the problem.